Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to continue with the topic women entrepreneurship. I am going to let you know about the challenges women entrepreneurs are facing in our society. The areas to be focused for this presentation are as follows. The first of all, women entrepreneurs, famous women entrepreneurs in India, constraints, and then government initiatives for strengthening women entrepreneurial activities. Women entrepreneurs is the first thing I'm going to cover, what we have covered earlier. So it is all about women who take initiatives to set up a business enterprise and run it with their own efforts. For any of the women who all like to be an entrepreneur, generally, the mindset which dominates while doing so targets the following. The first thing, to establish own identity in the society. Then, to have financial independence. Then, to showcase the results of positive mindset. Then, to showcase the risk appetite required to achieve the desired goals, etc. Women entrepreneurs may work with similar efficiencies as of their counterparts. There are a lot of examples for it. Certain names are as follows. Vandana Luthra is the is an Indian businesswoman, philanthropy and chairperson of Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council. In 1989, she started the company called VLCC as a beauty and slimming service center. Later, she added more services such as hair build, full body laser, grooming, dermat services. In April 2013, she awarded with Padma Shri Award by Indian President Pranab Mukherjee. Vanna Luthra has been running an NGO called Khusi, which offers a scholarship for free education to those who are underprivileged and physically challenged. Then Kiran Majumdar, Saw, is known as India's wealthiest self-made woman who founded a biopharmaceutical firm in 1978. This firm has entered in the US biosimilar market and is getting attention of investors. As per Forbes, it is the first company to get approval from the US FDA. She has put big fortune to build deep R&D based biotech firm. In 2019, she held the title called India's 54th richest person and world's 65th powerful woman. As far as her qualification is concerned, she did a bachelor's and master's degree from Bangalore University and Melbourne University, respectively. Priya Paul is an Indian woman entrepreneur who is chairperson of APJ Surendra Park Hotels. After finishing her studies from Wellesley College, she started working under her father as a marketing manager. At the age of 51, she is considered one of the most influential women. According to Wikipedia, in 2012, Paul revised India's most honorable award called Padma Shri Award by Pratibha Singh Patil, former Indian president. Then Falguni Nair, who after working 20 years as an investment banker with Kotak Mahindra, she left the job to pursue her own dream. In 2012, she started company Nika, which sells online cosmetic and wellness products. Today, the company has become so famous among Indian women that The company offers more than 850 brands and has introduced 35 physical stores. In 2017, she got the title of Most Powerful Business Woman by Business Today. She also received the Woman Ahead Award at Economic Times. Since 2014, the company has been a partner with Femina. There are many more names what I have taken from the link given below. I would like to mention certain constraints which are there in our society for women entrepreneurs. As for the different textbooks, women entrepreneurs are governed by the following. I meant to say entrepreneurial activities are mainly influenced by the following constraints. Constraint in psychological domain may get categorized as follows. That is lack of self motivation, conflicts due to dual responsibilities like household responsibilities as well as workplace responsibilities, poor risk taking ability, then constraint due to social domain. Now, certain things may get listed under this are as follows: lack of social controls, male dominance in the society, and, and entrepreneurial activities of women are not tuned with social structure of our society. Then, next kind of constraint may get regarded as in regard of technical domain. That is lack of project ideas due to less experience or social structure of the society. Then less understanding in regard of process to accomplish projects. Then another kind of constraint which lie is in regard of economic domain. Less economic support from society and family, of course, due to social belief and its structure. Lack of support from financing agencies as well. So these all are constraints which affects the entrepreneurial activities of women. Due to discussed constraints, Indian women entrepreneurs are facing a lot of issues such as absence of self-confidence, problems of male-dominated society, not able to bear higher risk, not receiving family support due to a structural constraint of the society, discrimination during upbringing, role conflict, the lack of education, low mobility because it is believed that our society is not safe for the mobility of women, less accessibility towards financial sources. Not only these problems, women face stiff competition while proving themselves in our society. While considering all these problems and constraints, in Indian context, certain initiatives have been taken by the government, and as a result, certain schemes are lying there to support entrepreneurial activities of women. The very first one is SBI Stree Shakti package. The SBI introduced Stree Shakti package in the year 1989 to develop women entrepreneurs. Under this scheme, entrepreneurship development program exclusively designed for women entrepreneurs are conducted. The programs are organized with the help of SBI staff, training college and local branches. In this scheme, financial assistance to the extent of 25,000 can be provided to the women entrepreneurs without keeping collateral security or guarantee. Loan proposals can be sanctioned within the period of 30 days from the date of receipt of the application form from the women entrepreneurs. Then IDBI's Mahila Udyog Nidhi scheme is there. The IDBI has set up a special fund, Mahila Udyam Nidhi, with a corpus of rupees 5 crore to provide seed capital assistance to women entrepreneurs intended to set up projects in SSI sector. The scheme is implemented by SIDBI, SIDBI. Then SIDBI's assistance for women entrepreneurs. The Small Industries Development Bank of India has a special scheme for financial assistance to women entrepreneurs. Then Bank of India's Priyadarshini Yojana is there. The scheme aims to provide financial assistance to women entrepreneurs who come under certain categories, which may get explored by you while going through different textbook or through the resources which are there on the web. So I hope I have provided enough input to you in regard of women entrepreneurship. So that's it for today, and in case of any doubt, we will discuss again in the upcoming class. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.